Okay, it's the Double Eagle M81 version 2 automatic electric pistol. See right here, comes with a manual. You get the faux plastic silencer, a charger, speed loader, little pack of BBs, and then the gun itself. Double Eagle, the battery is already in the gun. It says a metal slide, an ABS frame, and a metal magazine. We do have spare magazines for these. This is both semi-automatic and fully automatic. Pull the hammer back, the metal slide comes off, pull the side tab, and that'll pop your battery out. You get a nickel metal hydride 500 milliamp hour battery. Takes about 2 hours to charge this on this charger. I also have spare batteries for it. And this is an excellent gun. With the metal slide, it's got a nice weight to it. It's got that USP 45 styling. I can highly recommend these. They won't let you down like a gas pistol. $60, you can't beat it. Airsoftcarolina.com. We appreciate your business.